Hello, this is Barbara with Kaizink, and I'm going to demonstrate now the closing of our Corebridge account at the end of each day. So we go into Corebridge, and the first thing that we have to do is come over here and select Accounting. Once you're in Accounting, you will click on Reconciliation, and then we're going to click on Reconcile Accounts. Usually doesn't take this long to load. So from there, each of these white boxes has to be filled out, and it has to match the numbers that are in here. So I've already double checked that we received checks today in the amount of this $11.99.68. We had payments with credit cards of $327.95, and in our PayPal account was $198.20. Cash at the end of the day did not change, so we only have to add something in here. There was no cash in or cash out. So all of the white boxes are filled in. We go to step 2, and then we click Reconcile Now. This will tell you that it will prevent any reconciled payments from being editable. So we say yes, and that is it, and we print report. And in the morning meeting, the fields that are red are the payments received for the day, where we currently are on accounts receivable, and where we are with orders in the WIP. Thank you so much for watching.